So today we are at Newport campus and we are hosting our mat unveiling event, prayer mat unveiling event, and we are super excited. We have 2 prayer mats across all of our 5 campuses, and we're really proud to show learners and staff that we are an inclusive college full of culture, full of joy, and just wanting to make sure that people feel that sense of inclusivity. When they come to our college, we want them to feel warm, we want them to feel appreciated, and we want their voices to be heard across the college.
It's important because, many Muslims tend to feel they don't feel welcome, they don't feel part of the society, and they sometimes are afraid to ask that question. But luckily at Coleg Gwent, they seem to have everything in place, knowing they have halal food catering, they have amazing wash facilities, and they've got a multi-faith room for everybody, and they've got now prayer mats available that will probably be used in the prayer room, but also around the campus for all Muslims.